Welcome to the Blue Garage, guys. I'm Greg. I have the ZR2 behind me, and as you see, I have a little install video for you guys that I previously performed on Big Blue from Boost Auto Parts. 2 installs, 2 separate wiring kits where I'm going to tap into 2 separate wires. First one is going to pair the fog lights with the daytime running lights, and the second one is going to pair the third brake light and the hitch light with my reverse lights, adding to obviously the light provided whenever I throw the truck in reverse. Quick little install video. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button along the way. Let's get started. All right, guys, so we have the Boost Auto Parts kits here, 2 of them, 2 separate. Show the instructions of where to find how to, but hey, you're watching this video because you want to know how to. 2 separate kits, pretty plain and simple. Make sure you give them a follow as well, and let's get started. So you want to disconnect the battery, that way you don't shock any wires to shock yourself or ruin any of the electrical system throughout the truck. So disconnect the battery, 10mm socket, tuck it away to the side, that way it's safe and it's not touching the terminal, the negative terminal. All right, guys, so we're gonna get up under the dash here. There are a series of 5 connectors as you see here. The one we're interested in is this pink connector, or the first connector closest to the dashboard. So let me pull that out. What you're going to do is pull this pin down, a white connector right there by my finger, and then there's a push in clip that you're going to push in. Wiggle it a little bit as you pull straight down. Careful you don't disconnect any wires. It's kind of tough. Voila. So we have the 2 connectors that we splice into each wire and the connecting wire here that we use. So key here is we need to find the right ports, not the wire color. I'm going to show you right here. We need port number 6. So starting from the top, 1 through 4. And then back onto the second row, port 6. My wire just happens to be a brown wire. That is where the first clip will go. The second clip will go on the yellow wire, which is port 1 again. And then finally, what we're interested in is plugging the blue end of the connector into port 1 and the other end into port 6. So let me get that started for you guys. Might have to pull up some tape to get a little more room. Just be careful you don't unplug any wires in the process. Okay. Again, port 1. Mine happens to be yellow. You're going to lay the wire in there. Fold it over. Might need a clip here or pliers to clip them on. Let's see. But you'll feel it once it clips in place. Yep, I need a hard surface. My fingers are too soft. Okay. So all we're going to do is lock it in place with the pliers. Nice little click there, pretty easy. Then, again, making sure we're on the right wire. Mine, port 6 is this brown wire. You can see there, it is brown with a white stripe going down it. Then finally, blue end into port 1. And end not marked with blue into port 6. And this was for your fog lights to run every time that your daytime running lights, or I should say headlights, are on. Simple as that. And then all we have to do is flip it around and plug it back into place. All right, for the cargo reverse lights, we are going to connect the first clip to our third port here. Let me get this on. It's going to clip into place. And then we're going to reach underneath here. Let me show you. To get the blue, which is the last port down, last connection down. That one came out really easy. And then we are going to look at it here. So port 3 on the pink, port 4, which happens to be this yellow wire right here for me, on the blue. So again, fourth one over in the top row. Sometimes you just gotta wrestle with it, make sure it's in the right spot. I think I already got it to clip. Let me make sure. Yep, it's already latched on there. Now what I can do is connect the blue end to the pink side and the black end to the blue port. So get it in place there. Last step, plug them back in where they belong, and we should be good to go. All right, final step, guys. Just got to connect the battery. So pretty simple. Slide it on and make sure it's all the way on there. Cool. Don't go too tight. You don't want to strip it. And you're all set. Well, that's it, guys. Quick little install video for you guys. 2 easy projects that you can do for under 50 bucks from Boost Auto Parts. Got the fog lights paired with the daytime running lights, third brake light paired with the tailgate light and the reverse lights. It's a must do for your truck. Quick little install video. Make sure you get in the links below in the description to get your own set from Boost Auto. Before you leave, if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Share with all your friends too. We'll see you next time.